Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this photograph of a font that they like, that they found somewhere, but they can't find the font. And I noticed it when I looked at it, it looked really like Arial, just the plain Arial that everybody has. So I made it about the same size. I'm going to left click, right click. To make this work, you've got to go to Object and convert it to a curve. This will not work on a font. Now, the first thing I've always noticed about Arial is that there's two nodes here, so we're going to delete them. But then if you notice, this isn't a perfect triangle. So we're going to select all the nodes, we're going to right click and turn them into a line. Then we're going to go to Windows Dockers and Corners. And I've already played around with it. I figured out it's about a 1/2 inch. And you can see it's already trying to do it, but I don't want that. I don't want the inside done because the inside's not done there. So what we're going to do, all the A is, so I'm going to select it, get the shape tool, and select all the nodes and hit apply. And look at that. It looks just like that one. Now the B is a little different. It just has the 4. So you could actually do a whole alphabet like this, or the whole text, because it's not that much. The C, just select all 4, hit apply. The D, hit all 4 and hit apply. Now we can fill that in. That's kind of a green, and I believe that's dead on, or close enough. Pretty cool font, pretty easy to do. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.